Good afternoon, Michael Sandoval out here with Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. Here behind me you can see this pool and spa combination that we did. We just recently resurfaced it, and we also redid all the waterline tile for both the pool, the spa, and the spill over there. This is a unique pool because what it has is it has an in-floor cleaning system, but it's not just any in-floor cleaning system. It's a PCC 2000 system. So these heads, they're a little bigger than the normal heads of other companies, but these heads work good. The biggest thing about these heads is they have to be installed in the right places or right sleeves in which they came out of. So the first thing I did when I got on this job site is I went ahead and turned on the system. So I turned the system on. So what's happening right now, if there's any debris in those heads, in those holes or sleeves where these get put, that debris is being flushed out right now by the pressure. So we're flushing out any and all debris that's in there. Once that debris gets flushed out, I'm gonna come on over here. Actually, while that debris is getting flushed out, I'm gonna come on out over here and I'm gonna show you each and every single one of these heads. This one has a number 7. This number 7 coincides with the number 7 that's in that pool. So what that tells you is this head will get put back in place exactly where it got taken out. But one of the things I do before I do that is I come in here in a water and muriatic acid solution and I get these heads and I clean them. I put them in this water and muriatic acid solution, cleaning these heads, making sure that each time it pops up, that hole moves and it rotates like it's supposed to, okay? I will then take this head and I will then install it with this tool. I happen to know that the first one is number 7, so I will take this number 7 head and I will install it in its place over here, like so. We want to clear any debris or anything out, make sure it's all clear and there's no debris in there, which there's not. Then I'll bring this head in there. It's important that it has the gasket on it. We check for the gasket. Gasket's in place. We come on in here, we put the head in and we turn it counterclockwise, quarter turn, we lift it up, and voila, you've got the head right in place. And when that head gets to that rotation, it should pop up with no issues and no debris in it. Thank you for watching. Michael Sandoval, Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. Have a great day.